Hey you guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited because today is the Nordstrom sale, which you know it's like my favorite holiday of the year. I'm heading there to shop now. Not sure what it's gonna be like because of COVID, so I'm gonna try to bring you guys along with me, but I'm not sure how much footage I'm gonna get. I will at least do a try on at the end of this video, but I'm so excited. So yeah, come along with me. Empty. Okay, I'm here. I'm shopping, so much good stuff. So excited.
Butter on the hanger.
I hate that. When that happens.
Slowly
I think it was worth a shot.
filling everything up. Love these. The best section. Don't judge me. Love the athletic stuff every year. These joggers are my favorite. I own them. Love Zella.
I had a feeling you were waiting to say that.
I'm sorry, I didn't want to.
Cameron and I have this blanket. This blanket, and I just grabbed the white one. And love all these. Okay, finally done pulling stuff. We're going to go try a few things on. Probably not all of it, but I will show you guys. Definitely going easy on the shoes this year because I have too many, but I love these. This is a very classic fall look. I love this one. And this cardigan is color blocked. Another cardigan. Love the stripes. So cute. Love this necklace. This hat. This hat. Oversized cardigan. Convinced this belt and these shoes go with everything. Okay, I'm sorry, I know I need to change up the bottom half, but it just goes with so much. I love this sweater. This is a super cute thermal. Love it with this hat. I don't have any dark shoes this year. I also love this V-neck. Look who showed up. Fan favorite.
Here to help.
Yep. He couldn't come in this morning. He has an appointment at noon, but we're gonna grab lunch when I'm done trying stuff on.
Very excited about the lunch. Very excited to see Lauren's haul.
Yeah. He approves, right, of everything in the room so far? Oh, you missed the stuff that was taken.
Yes, I do.
Do you like these shoes?
Love the shoes, love the top.
I'm only getting 3 pairs of shoes this year. I know,
Are
something's...
you not feeling good?
Okay, last thing. Not sure how I feel about this at all. This is probably a no. The no pile. A lot of these were cute. I just don't need more. Ooh, done trying stuff on. Gonna go eat some lunch.
We worked up an appetite shopping.
It's very excited. Okay, at the table, so mask is down. A few thoughts about the Nordstrom sale in store this year. Kansas City store. not the greatest selection. I mean, they have good stuff, but not the biggest selection. They definitely had way more online, so I'm going to check out what is online when I get home. I think what I'm gonna do is post this video first, and then tomorrow I will post the actual try on of what I bought, so stay tuned for that. But I'm very excited to get our food. He's smiling. Yum. Did most of my shoe shopping online this year, so that's why I only had 3 pairs. I just have so many shoes right now. They have a lot of cute ones. They're just very similar every year, so I don't want to buy the same shoes every year. Oh, I'm getting a call.
You gotta come too, Ken.
Cute. Got all
For your
the
anniversary sale, Sherpas.
I know. I think that was blurry. Okay, a tad bit worried that whole video was blurry, so hopefully it wasn't. I have not used my vlog camera in so long, and it was so hard to like remember to tap it and all of that. But we are done. I'm very excited to show you guys everything. I think what I'm gonna do is post another video tomorrow of the actual haul, just because it's currently Tuesday and I want to get this video up today, and the haul I need to go home and shoot and then edit, and I still have to go to work and stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm really excited to keep sharing some Nordstrom posts with you guys. Let me know what else you want to see. I talked to my boyfriend about doing another video this year, so maybe he will want to do that, but I'm really excited, you guys. I can't wait to go home and open all of that. I have some bags back there, but the big bags are in the back, so so excited. Okay, love you guys. Bye.